this is the DIY car. It's got many holes here so that you can tie strings, secure things on it to add places for motors, whatever, right? Or spring or rubber band. Okay, so to make into a simple car, what we need is a wheel and a spindle. Alright, push through the smaller hole. Then press. Okay, that's one.